Hey friends, Dave here with Transfer Express. Today we are joined by Jenna from Stahls TV, and we are both very excited to show you a brand new heat press that's perfect for beginners, crafters, and growing t-shirt businesses.
Absolutely, and I am so excited to be here to introduce the Stahls Clam Basic Heat Press. It's lightweight, affordable, and available in 3 sizes, an 11 by 15, a 15 by 15 as you see here, and there is even a full-size 16 by 20. Its compact design makes it perfect for home or small workshop use. This entry-level heat press is packed with features that make it an incredible value. And it fits right in between the 9 by 12 craft press that everybody knows and loves and our very popular A to Z heat press.
With heat printing, we rely on 3 elements: time, temperature, and pressure. And this press has all of them covered. First, let's power the machine on with the on-off switch on the side. Once we're powered on, we can check out the digital display right here at the top of the unit. This display allows you to set your temperature and press time. Using this easy to navigate interface, you could enter the main menu by pressing the center button. We'll go ahead and move this up to 365 degrees. And once we're there, we could hit the mode button in the middle again to go to our time. Now let's select down to 6 seconds. We'll push the mode button again, and that will take us out of the time menu. Now this is very important because the upper platen will not heat up when this menu is active.
So now that we've got time and temperature figured out, let's focus on the pressure. Here right in the center of our platen is the pressure dial, and having the over center pressure is extremely important so that it is even across the entire printing surface. You'll notice that the platen has a little bit of wiggle room, and we call that a floating platen. That is what ensures the top platen contacts the lower platen evenly when it's closing so that you don't have any pinching in the back of the heat press. Speaking of the top platen, the heating element included on the Stahls Clam Basic Heat Press includes a high quality S-shaped heating coil. Now this eliminates any cold spots, giving you a nice even heat across the entire platen.
Absolutely, and now that we're all set up, let's press a t-shirt with this press using our screen printed goof-proof transfers. For our pressure settings, we'll aim for a firm pressure here. Now, one way to tell we have a firm pressure on this press is just using the paper test. Here, we'll use a sheet of regular paper to gauge how firm our pressure is. What we'll do is just take it and place it down on the corner of our press here and close the press. We're gonna see how easy it is to pull the paper out. So that was pretty easy. We'll adjust the pressure here by turning the knob clockwise. Now, we go ahead and close it down onto this corner. It's real hard to pull out. I can pull it out, but it's pretty hard. You'll want to repeat this on every single corner. Now we're all set, so let's load our t-shirt onto the bottom platen. What we're gonna do is we're just gonna lay it straight over our bottom platen, but while we're positioning it, we wanna make sure that we keep any collars or seams completely off the printing area, giving us a nice, smooth, flat surface. Next, we'll preheat this for 3 to 5 seconds to remove any moisture and wrinkles from the garment. Once we're all set with our preheat, we'll go ahead and grab our screen printed transfer. This is a 2-color goof-proof transfer that we'll be positioning down right here onto our shirt. Once we're happy with the placement on this, we'll go ahead and press this for 4 to 6 seconds. We have 6 seconds set on our dial. Once the press opens, we'll peel the transfer away immediately, leaving behind a retail-ready, quality, screen-printed t-shirt.
The Clam Basic Heat Press is available now exclusively at transferexpress.com. If you have any questions that we didn't cover today, just let us know in the comments below.
Now be sure to subscribe to the Transfer Express YouTube channel to stay up to date on tons of t-shirt business tips, tricks, and inspiration, and even new product information. But until next time, happy pressing.